Hi guys, this is Megan and I'm going to teach you a little bit about paragraph styles in InDesign. So paragraph styles is a tool that not a lot of people know about, but it can be really helpful when you're creating a book like we are, or some sort of other document or magazine where you really want everything to look really uniform and clean. It really allows you to create your own style and apply it to everything you're working on. It's pretty cool. So what you're going to do first is go up here to type and then down to paragraph styles. And you'll see basic paragraph already there, but I'm going to create my own, so I'll click this new button right down here and double click paragraph style 1. And you can change it to anything you want, but I'm just going to leave it as paragraph style 1. So from there, what you want to do is make sure that this preview box down here is checked, because when that's checked, you can see what your changes will look like when you apply them to a paragraph. So you'll see this long list of adjustments and changes you can make to your paragraph. So I'll just give you an example of a couple things you can change. When you go to here, basic character formats, you can of course change the font to anything that you want, and you can see what it will look like immediately. So I'm going to go with, not that one. I'll just go to here. I think that looks good. So you can of course change the size of your font, and you can also change the leading, which is essentially the spacing, so you can make it double spaced or single spaced, or you can even compress it so it looks like that. So I'll leave it normal, and then if you go to advanced character formats, you can change the way your letters will look. So you can make them stretch out horizontally, or you can make them stretch out vertically, whichever you think really goes with the style of the project that you're working on. There's also indents and spacing, where you can indent your paragraph, or you can choose to indent just the first line, which I know looks great in things like our photo books and other documents. So I'm going to leave that first line indented, and yeah. So then you can also go to tabs and change where your paragraph starts and ends in your tabs here at the top. And there's just so many other things you can change, and once you're done, you click OK, and it will apply to this paragraph, and when you write another paragraph, you can also apply it to that so they look the same. So essentially, paragraph styles is a great tool to use when you're creating your own style and making a uniform document.